On top tori for today for Live Media, President Buhari don tok say make dem no compromise autonomy for state legislature and judiciary. Autonomy for state legislature and judiciary mean say power don dey for the legislative and judiciary arm of government to take fit do wetin dem wan do without say dem dey pass through executive. E mean say dem go fit dey operate on their own. President Buhari tok say im dey work on top autonomy for dis state legislature and the judiciary sake of say dis one go help democracy matter strong well and e go make everybody for the country make dem dey equal. When President Buhari receive report on top Presidential Implementation Committee, the one wey dey on top the money wey autonomy for state legislature and judiciary dey, e say government go study the report and the recommendation well and dem go do the correct thing wey dem suppose do. Presido tok say wen im bin dey contest for election to become Naija Presido, say im eye see fire and na dis one make am wan balance the system, make anybody for no see wetin im eye see. E tok say everybody for Naija na im dey believe say better leadership na im dey give correct judgment to every matter. E no make sense if the belief wey the people get for dem come dey change am for the people dem. Chairman for the committee wey still be the immediate past Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, e tok say dis implementation so go put for ground separation of power and law wey dey follow democracy, and e go tanda Gidiba ogbonge constitution for we government. Abubakar Malami tok say dis implementation of financial autonomy for state legislation and judiciary don show say if dem approve am for the 36 states wey dey Naija, e go make with democracy law and how dem take dey do government dey gidigba. E con still explain say the committee don see many states wey dey respect financial autonomy, and na the judiciary and legislature na dis one na im concern every normal person for the country. Na im make dem tok say dis autonomy dem must to give dem too. Abubakar Malami tok say the people wey dey on top dis committee na state governors, chief judge for state, speakers for state house of assembly, civil society organizations, stakeholders and members of the public. The Presidential Implementation Committee on top this financial autonomy for state legislature and judiciary matter, dem inaugurate am by President Buhari for March 22, 2019 to take address and arrange wetin dem need to take arrange autonomy for dis state. And dis one e follow section 121 subsection 3 for 1999 constitution as dey amend am. Still on top dis story for today, na im President Buhari don take receive special delegation from Nasarawa State, and Nasarawa State Governor Abdullahi Sule na im lead dis delegation come State House for Abuja. Na here we see the better information reach on top tori for today, as President Buhari don tok say make dem no do katakata on top the autonomy wey dem wan give state legislature and judiciary arm of government for we country. Dis better information na here on top tori for today na Live Media na im tanda and gidigba put for una. My name na Nimat Shagumo.